CACB documents. Ano ang sinulat ko doon sa mga hours and weekend? How did I fill it up? CACB hours of learning, request for assessment ng academic qualifications. Paano ko nga ba fill up? Alam ko matagal na tong question na to. Pasensya ka na. I have been very busy because I am trying to look for a new position. Kwento ko na lang sa inyo next time kapag may good news na ako. Ngayon, dahil wala pa, I'll just keep it quiet. Alam na, you know? So, let's get started. So, ito yung unang page nung request for assessment of academic qualifications. My grades aren't the best, but, you know, I made it here. Okay naman. So, ayan, ang nilagay ko, you were asking for hours. So, some of them, I put in 3, 3, 1. Parang natatandaan ko, pasensya ka na, it's been a while. Ang meron ako noon is a total of hours. Tapos pinaghiwa-hiwalay ko lang siya per week. So, I divided the total hours per week. Kasi here, they're asking total per week. At saka medyo in-adjust ko na rin to suit kung gaano ba karami ang kailangan nila. Tapos kung tatanungin mo naman, ito yung portfolio ko. I just put it together again kasi nawala yung mga projects ko. Dahil I am one of the victims of Dahar. So, I made it happen to recreate everything with the help of cousins and friends as well. Kasi may mga friends ako and cousins na architects. So, I asked for their help. Yan ang aking portfolio. Tapos, they will ask for a list of major projects as well. Ganyan lang ang ginawa ko. In-explain ko lang kung ano yung nasa portfolio. And then, sinummarize ko sa Word document. So, ganyan lang. I gave it title, tapos kung what it is about, tapos space requirements, drawing requirements, ganun lang. Simple lang. Tapos nilagay ko from first year up to 5th year ang mga projects na nilista ko. Tapos, I submitted my transcript as well. Tapos, ito yung sinulat ko sa school ko. Kasi nasa Canada na ako niyan nang humingi ako ng school calendar. Kasi hindi nila maintindihan kung anong ibig sabihin ng school calendar. So, sabi ko sa school ko, if they can give me information regarding the school year, the semesters of the school, at sinabi ko, ganito po ang kailangan kong information. Ilang semester ba per school term, tapos niligyan ko ng blank na ganyan, and number of weeks per semester. So, para i-fill-upan na lang nila yan. And they gave me that information naman. To which, I divided those, kung nung makuha ko na to, number of weeks per semester, dinivide-divide ko lang sa mga, sa mga subjects. So, ito yung binigay nila sa akin. They gave me the hours na inilagay ko doon sa form na tinatanong mo. Diyan ko nakuha yun. I just divided them. You can say I made an educated guess doon sa mga number of hours. Dito. Yan, yung mga yan. Itong mga to. Yan ang tinatanong mo, di ba? Kung saan ko nakuha yung hours per week. I sincerely hope that helps. And I wish you all the best. And sana, as usual, mabalitaan ko one day na architect ka na rin dito sa Canada. Please do let me know. I'd like to hear all your great stories and I like success stories as well. Grabe, mukha na talaga akong pagod. Ano na? Follow for more. Have a beautiful day.